Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ellipticals for home use that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for compact, versatile, or high-performance options, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the UKeep Under Desk Elliptical, a compact and versatile machine designed for low-impact workouts. This elliptical is perfect for seniors or anyone looking for a quiet, space-saving exercise solution. Its 7-inch stride length boosts calorie burning efficiency by 50%, making it ideal for desk-based workouts or casual use at home. The adjustable resistance levels let you customize your routine to suit your fitness goals, whether you're toning muscles or improving cardiovascular health. In terms of design, the UKeep Elliptical features a sturdy alloy steel build that supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and stability during use. The silent operation system is a standout feature, allowing you to exercise without disturbing others, a big plus for shared spaces. The included resistance bands add versatility, letting you target upper body muscles like your arms, back, and shoulders for a full body workout. Its LCD monitor makes tracking progress easy, displaying your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. However, there are a few limitations worth noting. With only 3 resistance levels, it may not offer the intensity that advanced users seek. Additionally, while compact, it lacks the motorized features seen in higher-ranked models. Overall, the UKeep Elliptical is an excellent choice for beginners, seniors, or anyone looking for a simple, affordable, and space-saving exercise solution. Coming in at number 4 is the YOSUDA Pro Cardio Climber, a 3-in-1 elliptical that combines the benefits of an elliptical, stair-stepper, and treadmill into one machine. This innovative design makes it perfect for users looking for a versatile workout that targets both cardio and muscle toning. With a 45-degree climbing stride motion and 16 resistance levels, the YOSUDA Elliptical provides a challenging workout that can cater to varying fitness levels. The built-in tracking system lets you monitor calories, time, speed, distance, and pulse, ensuring you stay on track with your fitness goals. The YOSUDA Pro Cardio Climber boasts a robust build, featuring a thickened frame tube and a 300-pound weight capacity. This durability is complemented by a quiet magnetic driving system that keeps noise levels to just 26 dB, making it ideal for shared spaces or apartments. Its compact design is another highlight, saving at least 20% more space than traditional cardio machines. While it offers a smooth and stable workout experience, the 94.6-pound weight may make it slightly challenging to move around, despite its front rollers. On the downside, the YOSUDA Elliptical is more expensive and bulky compared to under-desk options, and it might not be suitable for users with very limited space. Additionally, the assembly process can be a bit time-consuming. Nevertheless, this machine is a fantastic choice for those seeking a comprehensive, gym-quality workout at home without compromising on features or performance. At number 3, we have the Fosay Under Desk Elliptical, which takes the concept of a compact exercise machine to a whole new level. This upgraded model offers 6 adjustable resistance levels and 15 speed settings, giving you incredible flexibility for customizing your workouts. Whether you prefer forward or reverse motion, the Fosay Elliptical targets different muscle groups, making it suitable for seniors, rehabilitation patients, or families looking for a shared exercise solution. The design is sleek and thoughtful, featuring a whisper-quiet 80W motor that operates at under 15 dB. Ensuring you can use it anytime without disrupting your environment. The large HD LED display is easy to read and tracks key metrics like speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The RF remote control adds convenience, letting you switch modes without bending over or straining your back. With removable pedal straps, portable handles, and a lightweight build, this elliptical is perfect for those who value ease of use and portability. However, the Fosay Elliptical comes at a higher price point, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while it offers advanced features, its compact design might not provide the same intensity as larger machines like the YOSUDA. That said, for users who prioritize versatility, quiet operation, and cutting-edge features, the Fose Underdesk Elliptical is a fantastic investment. At number 2, we have the Cubii TR Underdesk Elliptical, a fully assembled electric pedal exerciser that's perfect for seniors and rehabilitation purposes. Offering both manual and automatic modes, this machine stands out with its 12 adjustable speed levels and P1 to P3 preset programs. You can pedal forward or backward to target different muscles, making it a highly versatile option for low-impact workouts. The Cubii TR Elliptical is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring magnetic resistance that ensures a smooth and silent operation. Its compact dimensions and lightweight build make it easy to move and store, while the included remote control allows users to switch modes without bending over, a thoughtful touch for seniors or individuals with mobility limitations. The lifetime warranty and customer support further enhance its value proposition, offering peace of mind to buyers. On the downside, the Cubii TR Elliptical has a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds, which is impressive, but may be overkill for most users. While it's fantastic for seated workouts, it lacks the versatility of standing use or full-body exercise options found in larger machines. Nonetheless, for anyone seeking a reliable, fully assembled, and easy-to-use elliptical for home use, the Cubii is a top contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cubii JR1 Underdesk Elliptical, a crowd favorite for its ergonomic design and seamless user experience. The Cubii JR1 is a leading choice for seated workouts, offering 8 levels of manual resistance to help you burn calories, improve mobility, and increase strength, all while you sit at your desk. Whether you're working from home or simply relaxing, this elliptical lets you stay active without disrupting your routine. The build quality is excellent, with a compact and durable design that fits easily under most desks. The built-in LCD display tracks essential metrics like calories burned, strides pedaled, and distance traveled, while the Cubii mobile app lets you manually enter stats for enhanced tracking. Its ultra-smooth operation makes it suitable for seniors, rehab patients, or anyone looking for a low-impact exercise solution. At just 25.4 pounds, the Cubii JR1 is lightweight enough to move around easily, yet sturdy enough to stay stable during use. While the Cubii JR1 excels in portability and ease of use, it lacks advanced features like motorized operation or remote control. Additionally, it's best suited for seated workouts, so users looking for standing or full-body exercise options may need to consider other models. Still, for anyone seeking a reliable, compact, and effective elliptical for home or office use, the Cubii JR1 is the gold standard and our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.